Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because a vision softly grieving, let it seed while I was living, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow street of cobblestone, neath the hollow of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and dawn, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touch the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sounds of silence. Who said I do not know? Silent like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silence raindrop fell and echoes in the wheels of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the naked God they made, and the sign flashed out this warning, and the word that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophet are the written of the subway walls and tenement halls, whisper in the sounds of silence.